कर्तुं महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ते भेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयम् करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादम् शङ्करम् लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्तधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविद्यायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता बुद्धम् गीतामृतम् महत् वसुदेवसुतम् देवम् कंसचानूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णम् वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलातुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकराद्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतेना खलु पाण्डवैरनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः आराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् आनाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः प्रीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजम् कलिमलम् न श्रेयसे मूकम् करोति वाचालम् गयते क्षितिम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य वञ्चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः
ओम श्री
ॐ श्री
परमात्मने
परमात्मने
नमः।
नमः।
अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः
अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः।
पञ्चमोऽध्यायः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच
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 श्लोकः ज्ञानेन तु तदज्ञानम् येषान्नाशितमात्मनः
ज्ञानेन
ज्ञानेन
तु
तु
तज्ज्ञानं
तज्ज्ञानमेषान्नाशितमात्मनः
मनः
येषामादित्यवज्ञानम् प्रकाशयति तत्परम्
येषामादित्यवज्ञानं
येषामादित्यवज्ञानं
प्रकाशयति
प्रकाशयति
तत्परम्।
तत्परम्।
पूर्वश्लोके भगवता उक्तम् ज्ञानेन आवृतं ज्ञानम् अज्ञानेन आवृतं ज्ञानम् ज्ञानम् अज्ञानेन आवृतं तेन जन्तवः मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः जीवाः मोहिताः तस्य कारणम् अज्ञानम् ज्ञानम् आवृतम् अज्ञानेन तेन तर्हि संसारात् मुक्तिः भवति वा संसारात् मुक्तिः शक्या वा इति पृच्छेत् पापम् आम् कथं ज्ञानेन तु तदज्ञानम् येषाम् ज्ञानिनां नाशितम् आत्मनः अज्ञानं नाशितम् ज्ञानम् इस् कवर्ड by आवृतम् आवरणशक्त्या ज्ञानं knowledge आवरणशक्त्या मायायाः द्वेषक्तितः आवरणशक्तिः क्षेपशक्ति आवरणशक्त्या ज्ञानम् आवृतम् तत् तदेव संसार कारण अतः संसारात् मुक्तिः भवति वा भवति चेत् कथम् तत्तु ज्ञानेन तत् अज्ञानं तेषां ज्ञानिनां नाशितं भवति is the way to come out from samsara that is said in this shloka ज्ञानेन एव ईदृशज्ञानेन एव शास्त्रप्रमाणव्यापारेण जनितं ज्ञानं शास्त्रव्यापारेण जनितं ज्ञानम् अज्ञानं निवर्तयति ज्ञानेन तु इति अत्र आत्मनः ज्ञानेन स्वरूपज्ञानेन आत्मा एव मम स्वरूपः अहं सच्चित् आनन्द आत्मा इति ज्ञानेन तदज्ञानम् इत्युक्ते तदज्ञानम् येषाम् इत्युक्ते येषां मुमुक्षूणां यद् आत्मविषयक अज्ञानम् अस्ति तत् नाशितं भवति येषां मुमुक्षूणां those people who are mukshus ajnanam which is covered by ajnanam which is due to jnanam being covered but ajnanam is destroyed by jnana शास्त्र जनित ज्ञानेन अज्ञान नाशनम् आत्मनः अज्ञान नाशनं भवति अत्र ज्ञानम् इति पदं प्रयुज्यते भगवता शास्त्रे ज्ञानशब्दस्य अर्थद्वयम् अस्ति एकः अर्थः ज्ञानशब्दस्य चैतन्यम् इति आत्मनः स्वरूपम् सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म इति ज्ञानपदस्य चैतन्यम् इति अर्थः सत्यं ज्ञानं चित् चैतन्यम् इति एकः अर्थः अस्ति ज्ञानम् अन्यः अर्थः अपि अस्ति अंतःकरणे या वृत्तिः जायते यथा घटाकारवृत्तिः तद्वत् ज्ञानवृत्तिः तदपि ज्ञानशब्देन उच्यते ज्ञानं means knowledge. What is that knowledge? Jnanam. Literal translation jnanam. Jnayate iti jnanam. That which is known. Or jnayate anena iti jnanam. Vyutpatti can be given in two ways. The jnanam can mean chaitanyam. One meaning. Another meaning is jnanam iti shabdasya. That vritti which is produced in the antakaranam buddhi. Buddho ya vrittihi उत्पद्यते घटाकारवृत्तिः पटाकारवृत्तिः मटाकारवृत्तिः इत्यादयः वृत्तयः ते अपि ज्ञानम् इति शब्देन ईरितम् ज्ञानवृत्तिः अपि ज्ञानम् इति शब्देन ईरितम् अतः वृत्तिः अथवा चित् इति द्वौ अर्थौ स्तः ज्ञानशब्दस्य ज्ञानशब्द has got these two meanings अत्र अस्मिन् श्लोके ज्ञानेन इति पदस्य अर्थः चैतन्यं वा वृत्तिः वा अत्र चैतन्यम् इति अर्थः भवितुं न अर्हति। कथं? चैतन्यं तु अज्ञानस्य विरोधी नास्ति। अतः चैतन्यम् अज्ञानस्य विरोधी नास्ति। तच्चैतन्यम् अज्ञानम् अपि भासयति, प्रकाशयति। अतः चैतन्यं, ज्ञानशब्दस्य चैतन्यम् इति न स्वीकुर्मः। Word jnanam cannot mean chaitanya. Why we can't take the word jnanam to be chit, chaitanyam? Because chaitanyam is not opposed to ajnana. Aham sanskritam na janami. I don't know Sanskritam. So mama Sanskrita ajnanam asti. Ajnanam also revealed by chaitanya. What I know, I know. What I don't know, also I know. Viditadapi. Tata Upanishadi Uttam. What I know also is revealed to Chaitanya. What I don't know also it is revealed by Chaitanya. Jnana vritti, I know that is vritti, jnanam, that is revealed by Chaitanya. Ajnana vritti also. That is also revealed by Chaitanya. Aham samsari. Samsari, the samsaritvam, ajnanam, that is known to the mumukshus. That is why they work for moksha. Samsare saranti संसारात् दुःखम् अनुभवन्ति इति ज्ञात्वा एव संसारात् बहिः आगन्तुं मुमुक्षवः प्रयतन्ते। अतः अज्ञानं, मम अज्ञानम् अस्ति इति ज्ञानम् अस्ति। अज्ञाननाशनं ज्ञानेन भवति। अतः ज्ञानम् आवश्यकम् इति ज्ञानप्राप्तये प्रयतन्ते मुमुक्षवः। Ajnanam also revealed by Chaitanyam. That is why mumukshus work for moksha. If Ajnanam is not revealed by Chaitanyam, then how do I know that I have Ajnanam? If I don't know that I have Ajnanam, then how I can work for Jnanam? Therefore, Jnanam as well as Ajnanam both are revealed by Chaitanyam. Therefore, Ajnanam is not opposed to Chaitanyam. Therefore, Ajnanam is not opposed to Chaitanyam. Then if you take the meaning of the word jnanam to be chaitanyam, then how can that remove ajnanam? It cannot. Therefore, jnana shabdasya chit chaitanyam iti arthaha atra svikriyate. Important point this is. Therefore, jnana shabdasya kaha arthaha bhavati vrittihi. Vrittihi iti arthaha. This jnana vrittihi या अज्ञानवृत्तिः अस्ति, अहं संसारी, अहं शरीरवान्, अहं देहवान्, अहं शरीरमनसङ्गातः, अहम् अज्ञानी, संसारी इति यत् अज्ञानम् अस्ति, संसारे तरति, संसारे मुह्यति, दुःखी भवति, संसारात् अज्ञानवृत्तिः अस्ति। तस्याः अपनयनं ज्ञानेन एव भवति। Ajnanavritti is knocked off by Jnanavritti. Jnanavritti is produced by Shastra. Therefore, Shastram is the Pramanam. Therefore, Ajnana Vritti Nivritti Dwara Jnanavrittya Shastrasya Sahayena Moksha labhyate. Moksha is through the jnana vritti which is generated by the shastram being a pramanam by which the ajnanam is removed. Ajnana vritti is Jnana vritti, they are opposed to each other. Therefore, jnana vritti can knock off ajnana vritti. Therefore, moksha. Therefore, we cannot take the word jnana to be chaitanya. We have to take the word jnanam to be vritti. Atmanaha jnanam, swarupa jnanam, aham Satchit Ananda Atma iti ajnanam kevalam Atma jnanena vritti jnanena eva pashyati. Ataha jnanam अखंडाकारवृत्तिः इति उच्यते. अखंड आकारवृत्तिः अखंडाकारवृत्तिः तया वृत्त्या एव अज्ञानं निवर्तते. तया एव अज्ञाननिवृत्तिः भवति. Therefore, केवल चैतन्येन अज्ञाननिवृत्तिः न सम्भवति. अतः अज्ञानविनाशाय कस्याश्चित् विशिष्टायाः वृत्तेः प्रेक्षिता भवति. सा वृत्तिः अखंडाकारवृत्तिः ब्रह्माखंडाकारवृत्तिः अथवा अखंडवृत्तिज्ञानम् इति उच्यते. अखंडाकारवृत्तिः वृत्तिज्ञानम् अखंडाकारवृत्तिः. न खण्डः यस्यां सा अखण्डा सा च वृत्तिः च अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः. ज्ञानवृत्तिः अहं ब्रह्म अस्मि इति या वृत्तिः जायते बुद्धौ शास्त्र प्रमाणे सा वृत्तिः अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः. तेन अज्ञानवृत्तीनां नाशः भवति. ज्ञानशब्दस्य अर्थः वृत्तिः इत्यर्थः. प्रत्ययः प्रतिबोधं विदितं मतं बोधं प्रति प्रत्येकं प्रत्ययद्वारा विदितं भवति. प्रत्यया वृत्तिः. If it is samsara vritti, ajnana vritti, ajnana vritti also is revealed by Chaitanya. Ajnana vritti has to go. Therefore, jnana vritti also revealed by Chaitanya. Whether it is ajnana vritti or jnana vritti, both are revealed by Chaitanya. Therefore, Chaitanya is not opposed to ajnana vritti. But once jnana vritti happens, ajnana vritti goes away. Therefore, jnana shabdasya vrittihi iti arthaha. This vritti is different from other vrittis because this vritti makes all the other vrittis mithya vritti. Mithya meaning once truth is known, aham brahma asmi, then all the vrittis, got all the vrittis, the rakshitva bhava, there will not be abhimana. But tesham ajnanam, tesham iti yukte yesham तादृशेन वृत्तिज्ञानेन अज्ञानं विनष्टं जातुं तेषां कृते ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति. इत्युक्ते तत् ज्ञानं तत्परम् इति परमार्थतत्त्वं साक्षात्कारयति. यदा आदित्यवत् सूर्यः स्वप्रकाशेन यथा समस्तं जगत् भासयति तथा एव एषा अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः अज्ञानरूपम् आवरणनाशनेन स्वप्रकाशं परं ब्रह्म आविष्करोति भासयति आदित्यवत्. यथा आदित्यः सूर्यः किं करोति? सूर्यः अंधकारं निवर्तयति निवर्तयति न तु निर्वर्तयति निवर्तयति यदा सूर्यः उदेति तत्क्षणे एव किं भवति अंधकारस्य अपनयनं भवति सर्वाणि वस्तूनि प्रकाशयति सूर्यः सा एव अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः अज्ञानं निवर्तयति आत्मनः तत् स्वरूपं वास्तविकं स्वरूपम् अस्ति तत् आविष्करोति अतः अत्र ज्ञानशब्दस्य चैतन्यम् इति अर्थः अत्र यदि वयं चिन्तयेम यत् एषा अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः एव आत्मानं प्रकटीकरोति अखण्डाकारवृत्तिः यदि आत्मानं प्रकटीकरोति अखण्डाकारवृत्ति the vritti which is generated by the shastra if it take that reveals Atma Chaitanyam, then Atma Chaitanyam becomes evam chintayema chet Brahma parakasham bhavati, natu swaprakasham. If Vritya Atma Chaitanyam is revealed, then it is that Brahma is, that Atma is paraprakasham, natu swaprakasham. Like Gata is, I don't know the Gata, therefore Gata Akara Vritya Gata Jnana. So Gata is not Swaprakasha. It is Jnana Vritya Gata Jnanam. Tadvat Akhandarakara Vritya Yadi Atma Jnanam Bhavati, then Tarhi Atma Gatavat Paraprakasham Bhavati, Natu Swaprakasham. Atma Swaprakasha Paraprakasha. Atma cannot be revealed by anything because it is Swaprakasha. Swaprakasha Atma. We should not just swallow the words, understand what these words are, what it means. And only this teaching can be understood. Atma is Swaprakasha when we say Swaprakasha Atma. Swaprakasha Atma can be revealed by Vritti. Revealed by anything, any pramana, even Shastra pramana also cannot reveal Swaprakasha. Satasiddha, Siddhatva. It is self-evident, self-existent. The self-evident, self-existent Atma cannot be revealed by anything, need not be revealed because it is existent, self-evident, it is self-existent. Gata existing, Gata has existence, but it doesn't have self-existence, self-evident. It has to be revealed by Jnana. Vritya. So, therefore, Yadi Kandakara Vritya, Gatakara Vritya, Katajnanam Bhavati, Patakara Vritya, Patajnanam Bhavati, Tadvad Akandakara Vritya, Atmajnanam Bhavati Chet, Atmajnanam Bhavati, Targi, Atma, Gatavat, Patavat, Paraprakasham Bhavati, Atu Suprakasham. Kandakara Vritya, Atma Prakatikaram na Bhavati, Kandakara Vritya, Jnana Vritya, Ajnana Nivritti Eva Bhavati. Ataha, Atra, Yaha Drishtantaha, Tattaha Bhagavata, Adityavat, Vena Kim Suchayati, इति अत्र दृष्टान्तः सावधानतया द्रष्टव्यः. No drishtanta is perfect. सूर्यप्रकाशनेन अंधकारनिवृत्तिः, the अंधकारनिवृत्तिः, then the वस्तुः यत् वस्तु अस्ति सूर्यप्रकाशेन तत् भाति सूर्यप्रकाशनेन. The Surya, the Drishtanta, the Surya, the rays of the sun reveals the object which are not self-evident. The objects are covered by darkness. The moment sun rises, the darkness is chased away and the objects are revealed. Tadvat Dashtantena, there's a difference. The Dashtanta, it is not like that. So Drishtantam is Drishtanta. Cannot stretch a Drishtanta and get into wrong understanding. Adityavat इत्युक्ते यदा आदित्यः स्वप्रकाशः, that is स्वप्रकाशः. Aditya स्वप्रकाशः, relatively स्वप्रकाशः. Of course, it is also revealed. It is also existing due to Atma. It is not self-existing. Adityah, in the Drishtanta, ta Adityah स्वप्रकाशः तद्वत्, that is the Drishtanta. So the sunlight removes the darkness and the objects are revealed. Sunlight removes the darkness and the objects are revealed. In the case of Dashtanta, the objects are covered by darkness, the objects are revealed. So Atma is the Dashtanta. Atma is covered by this Avarana, and Aditya is compared to Jnanam. If we take Aditya, the Drishtanta Aditya, Yata Aditya Prakashayati Sarvani Vastuni. So if you take, then this, like this, Akandakara Vritya, this Chaitanyam is Prakashayati if you take. Like the sun reveals the objects, so too by the Jnanam, Chaitanyena Atma Prakati Bhavati if you take. Then so from conclusion. So therefore Drishtanta, and we have to understand the limitations of the Drishtanta. So Atma is Swaprakasha. The Swaprakasha Atma need not be revealed by anything. Kandakara Vritya Atmanaha Prakatikarana Bhavati. Kandakara Vritya Ajnana Nivrittihi eva bhavati. Yatha Adityah Ajnana Nashakah bhavati. Tadvat Akandakara Vrittihi Ajnana Vritti Nasham Karoti. That is the Drishtanta. Adityavat Jnanam Prakashayati. There are also Jnanam to be taken, like the Vritti. Not that Chaitanyam will be revealed by Akandakara Vritti. Chaitanyam is covered. Objects are covered because due to darkness. Now this Akandakara Vritti comes. This Akandakara Vritti comes, this Avarana is removed, Chaitanyam is revealed, like the objects are revealed when the sun rises. It is the Drishtanta we should not take. Then you can take, then Atma becomes Paraprakasha. For Atma to shine, then we require this Khandakara Vritti. Ajnana Vritti also known to Chaitanya, Khandakara Vritti also known to Chaitanya. Chaitanya being Chaitanya, which is self-existent, need not be revealed by any vrittis exist. Bodham Bodham Prati. Vibodha Viditam Matam. Every Bodha, every Pratyaya, it is. Every Pratyaya is revealed by Chaitanya. How can a Pratyaya reveals? That is Shotrasya Shotram Manaso Manava Vachaso Vati. So therefore, Akhandakara Vritti, the Vritti cannot reveal Chaitanya. It can only knock off Ajnana Vritti. Knocking off Ajnana Vritti, Chaitanyam, self-existing Chaitanyam, it shines as it was shining. So that Jnanavritti goes away. Then it is revealed. Then it is as it was revealing before, it reveals, continue to reveal itself, self-existent. Like the clouds which cover the sun. Because the clouds cover the sun, not that Aditya switches off his light, continues to shine. The clouds are gone. Aditya, even the clouds are illumined by Aditya. Clouds cover the Aditya. The clouds are illumined by sun. Because of clouds, we don't see the sun. Because we don't see the sun, therefore we cannot tell the sun. Therefore, we cannot say that the sun is as switched off its light. It continues to shine. Even the clouds are illuminated by the light of the sun. When the clouds goes away, same thing, it continues to be as it was before. In fact, the clouds do not cover. Sun is so big, how can the clouds cover also? It covers the perceive eyes of the perceiver. Therefore, here also the Drishtanta, Atah eva Drishtantah Avadanataya Drashtavyaha. Vaprakasha Atma Ajnana Vritya Na Prakatyate Prakashyam Kriyate. Therefore, Atma Brahma eva iti ya vrittihi buddho jayate sa vrittihi ajnanam nivartayate. Atmanam Brahma Rupena Yapayati. Sa Atmanam na prakashayati. Atma to swayam prakashaha, swaprakashaha, satasiddhaha vartate. Swaprakasha Atma. Prakasha, when we say, it doesn't require anything else for his prakasha. Swaprakasha. Prakasha, definition of Prakasha is Sva itara aprakashyatve sati Sva itara sarva prakashakatvam saprakashakatvam iti lakshanam saprakashasya. Svetara prakashyatve sati Svetara aprakashyatve sati, it cannot be illuminated by other thing. Svetara sarva prakashakatvam, that which illumines everything, that is saprakasha, saprakashakatvam. So Atma reveals everything. Jnanam va ajnanam. Ajnanam, therefore, that jnana vritti cannot reveal Atma, because need not be also. Ajnana vritti hi samsara karanam. Ajnana vritti nivritti jnanena bhavati. Therefore, swatasiddha Atma, swatasiddha Atma, prakashate yata purum jnanat paramapi. Jnana Nashaha eva bhavati. Therefore, this point to be understood. In many places we have seen Vritti Jnanam happens by two processes. The Jnanam happens by two processes. Vritti Vyaptihi, Phala Vyaptihi. Pervasion by Vritti. And the object which is pervaded by vritti is, when it is reflected in the Chidabhasa, then the knowledge of the object is gained. In the case of Atma, it is not like that. Vritti vyapyatvam asti, kintu phala vyapyatva abhavaha. Brahmani yat ajnana rupam avaranam asti. ब्रह्मणि आत्मनि यत् अज्ञानरूप आवरणमस्ति तस्य नाशनाय भङ्गाय या वृत्तिः अन्तःकरणवृत्तिः अपेक्षिता, या वृत्तिः अपेक्षिता सः ब्रह्म वृत्तिव्याप्यं भवति। यथा अन्यपदार्थविषये तद्वत् घटः अस्ति, घटः pot is there, but pot is covered by avarana shakti. The knowledge of the, to gain the knowledge of the pot, we have to open the eye, see the pot. Therefore, through the chakshurindriya, the vrittis goes outside and pervade the gata. So, gata which is there outside, it is now by vritti vyapti, it is reflected in the antakara. Similarly, या वृत्तिः शास्त्रैः उत्पद्यते ज्ञानवृत्ति, that ज्ञानवृत्ति pervades the vishaya, that is Brahma. Brahma is vritti jnana, aham atma iti jnana. In the case of gata, after the pervasion of the vritti, after the pervasion by the vritti, the gata which is reflected in the antakaranam, that is Chidabhasa, then the knowledge of the pot is gained. Whereas in the case of Atma, after being pervaded by the vritti jnanam generated by the Shastra, the Atma is not like a gata. Gatadi padarthaha jadaha santi, kintu Atma suprakashaha Atma, ataha suprakasha Atma, ataha vrittya prakashagitum na shakyate. Therefore, phala vyapti is not there. That's the difference between the ordinary vritti, the case of Vishaya Padartha, and this Jnana vritti, the case of Atma. Gatadi padarthaha jadaha ataha tesham prakashaya Chidabhasasya apeksha asti, kintu Atma vishaye Atma tu swayam prakashah, suprakasha ataha Chidabhasasya apeksha nasti. In fact, Chidabhasa, Chit Abhasa, that is Chidabhasa, that's the Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. Consciousness which is reflected in the Antakaranam. In the Antakaranam, how can the Antakaranam objectify the consciousness? In fact, Antakaranam, the consciousness is reflected. In the Antakaranam, there is now vritti vyapti, that vritti is there. Atma is like Gata vritti, Atma vritti. That Atma vritti, how can that Atma vritti, like Gata, in the case of Gata vritti, Gata is revealed, Gata jnanam. Similar, that is a palam, knowledge of the pot, that is a palam. Like that, how can in this case that Atma can be revealed? Because Antakaranam itself is the Chidabhasa, Antakaranam, the Atma is reflected. Chidabhasa, Chit Avasa. How can the consciousness be revealed in the Antakaranam, the Chidabhasa, which is where there is reflection of the consciousness? Therefore, Phalaviptihi atra na bhavati, na sambhavati. यथा एक यथा दीपं द्रष्टुम् अन्यस्य दीपस्य आवश्यकता नास्ति. You want to see a lamp, For that, another lamp is not required, because lamp itself gives light. You don't need another lamp. You don't need another lamp to illumine the lamp. Similarly, in the case of Atma also, Atmanam Prakashigitum Vrittijanya Palasya Avashakata Nasti Palavyapti Abhavaha. Palavyapti Abhavaha. It's not something new which we are discussing. We have discussed in many places. Pratyavyapti Palavyapti. Therefore, Jnanam iti Padasya Taha Vrittihi. स्वप्रकाश आत्मा अखंडारकारवृत्त्या न प्रकाशितं भवति प्रकाशितः भवति अज्ञान निवृत्ति भंगः आवरण भंगः ज्ञानवृत्त्या भवति शुद्ध चैतन्यं ज्ञानं भासयति आत्मा चैतन्यम् अज्ञानं भासयति ज्ञानमपि भासयति प्रकाशयति अज्ञानं न बाधते अज्ञानं न बाधते तो यथा प्रदीपः घटे स्थितः प्रदीपः अंधकारं प्रकाशयति तथा साक्षी चैतन्यमपि अज्ञान विषयमपि प्रकाशयति अहं न जाने इति अज्ञानं तदपि साक्षी चैतन्यं प्रकाशयति सः चैतन्यम् अज्ञानं न बाधते Jnanam, it is not opposed to Ajnanam. Ajnanam is also revealed by Chaitanya. Jnanam is also revealed by Chaitanya. The only thing is Palavyapti is not there. Brahma Palavyaptyam na bhavati. Vrittivyapyam bhavati. Vrittehe karyam tu kevalam ajnana rupasya avarnasya bhanga. Tadeva vritti karyam. Only job of vritti, jnana vritti is to remove the ajnana avaran. Ajnana, this avaranasya bhangaha nashaha eva vrittehe karyam. शास्त्र प्रमाण व्यापार जनितम अज्ञानम अज्ञान निवर्तकम भवति तथो ज्ञानेन तु तत् अज्ञानम नाशितम तथो येषां मुमुक्षूणां नाशितं भवति आत्मनः अज्ञानं ज्ञानेन नाशितं भवति after that what happens तेषाम् आदित्यवत् like the आदित्य तेषाम् आदित्यवत् ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत् परं ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तेषाम् आदित्यवत् तत् परमार्थतत्त्वं परम् आदित्यवत् like आदित्य प्रकाशयति तत्परं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत् तेषाम् इत्युक्ते मुमुक्षूणां प्रकाशयति तेषाम् आदित्यवत् ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत्परं ज्ञानं परतत्त्वं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं प्रकाशयति इत्यर्थः प्रकाशयति भासयति तत्परं प्रकाशयति So like the sun, the knowledge reveals that Brahma Tattvam. Aham Brahma Asmi Purnaha Asmi iti. That knowledge reveals the truth of myself. Aham Brahma iti. The recognition of myself to be Brahma. That is what the knowledge reveals. Like the sun reveals through its light the objects which are covered by darkness. Similarly, that aham samsari iti, yet ajnanam asti. That ajnanam is not of aham brahma asmi iti. The knowledge reveals the Atma as Brahma, that is Tesham Adityavat. That's why the Drishtanta Adityavat. Adityavat, Tat Param is Tat Param Brahma, Parmata Tattvam, Jnanam, Tesham, Yesham Nashi Atmanaha Ajnanam Nashitam Tesham. Tesham Adityavat, Tat Param, Jnanam, Jnanam Tat Param Prakashayati. Jnanam Tat Param Prakashayati. The Jnanam reveals the self. The Jnanam reveals the truth of myself. Of the Bhashya. Jnanena tu
ज्ञानेन तु
ज्ञानेन तु
yena ajnanena avrtaha
येन
येन
अज्ञानेन
अज्ञानेन
आवृतः
आवृताः
nubhyanti jantavaha
मुह्यन्ति
मुह्यन्ति
जन्तवः
जन्तवः
tat ajnanam
तत्
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 ज्ञानम्
अज्ञानम्
अज्ञानम्
yesham jantunam
येषां
येषां
जन्तूनां
जन्तूनां
viveka jnanena
विवेकज्ञानेन
विवेकज्ञानेन
atma vishayena
आत्मविषयेण
आत्मविषयेण
nashitam
नाशितं
नाशितम्
atmanaha bhavati
आत्मनः
आत्मनः
भवति
भवति
tesham jantunam
तेषां
जन्तूनां
जन्तूनाम्
adityavat
आदित्यवत्
आदित्यवत्
yatha adityaha
यथा
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 आदित्यः
आदित्यः
samastam rupajatam
समस्तं
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 रूपजातं
रूपजातम्
रूपजातम्
avabhasayati
अवभासयति
भासयति
तद्वत्
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 ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं वस्तु
ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं
ज्ञेयं
वस्तु
वस्तु
सर्वं प्रकाशयति
सर्वं
सर्वं
प्रकाशयति
प्रकाशयति
तत्परं परमार्थतत्त्वम्
तत्परं
तत्परं
परमार्थतत्त्वम्
परमार्थतत्त्वम्
तत्परं परमार्थतत्त्वम् आत्मतत्त्वं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं प्रकाशयति आदित्यवत् ज्ञानं येषाम् आत्मनः ज्ञानं नाशितं भवति तेषां ज्ञानं तत्परं प्रकाशयति भाष्यकारः से ज्ञानेन तु इति अनेन आत्मविषयकज्ञानेन तदज्ञानम् इत्युक्ते अज्ञानं तदज्ञानं तत् अज्ञानं नाशितं भवति येन अज्ञानेन आवृताः यस्मात् अज्ञानात् आवृताः सन्तः जन्तवः मुह्यन्ति सर्वे प्राणिनः आवृताः सन् मुह्यन्ति मोहे पतन्ति ज्ञानेन through the knowledge of what atmanah jnana of the atma tata jnanam that ignorance nashitam bhavati yena ajnanena avrta that covered by ignorance yena ajnanena avrta janaha mudhyanti yena ajnanena avrtaha janaha jantavaha mudhyanti ज्ञानेन तत् अज्ञानं नाशितं भवति ज्ञानेन तु गीता प्रिय बोधिनी तत्तु फक्तु आचार्य gives nice meaning वैलक्षण्यार्थे तो is important ज्ञानेन तु only by ज्ञानं न तु कर्मणा अथवा उपासनया through the knowledge आत्मनः ज्ञानेन आत्मज्ञानेन आत्मविषयज्ञानेन येन अज्ञानेन आवृताः that by which अज्ञानं the beings are covered जन्तवः तत् अज्ञानं विवेकज्ञान येषां जन्तूनां विवेकज्ञानेन आत्मविषयेन नाशितं भवति अज्ञानस्य विषयः आश्रयः च सः एव भवितुम् अर्हति यः ज्ञानस्य विषयः आश्रयश्च अस्ति तदा एव अज्ञानस्य निवृत्तिः सम्भवति ज्ञानस्य विषयः आश्रयश्च सः एव भवितुम् अर्हति कः यः ज्ञानस्य विषयः आश्रयः भवति सः तदा एव अज्ञानस्य निवृत्तिः भवति. The meaning is the important point. The object of ignorance and the locus of ignorance. Object of ignorance, ajnana vishaya, ajnana vishaya ashrayascha, locus of ignorance. Both have to be the same as jnanasya vishaya, jnana vishaya ashrayascha. Both have to be same as the object and locus of knowledge. Then only ajnanam can go. This is the fundamental thought principle in Vedanta. Pramanyavada, the theory of knowledge. That is the locus ashraya and the vishaya object. Both must be same for both ignorance as well as knowledge. See, we'll see in detail. Ashraya. Ashraya meaning locus. Adhikaranam ashraya. Ashraya saha ashraya bhavati yatra ajnanam va jnanam bhavati. So that is ashraya where the ignorance or knowledge resides. So the locus of ignorance is Chaitanyam. Locus of ignorance is Chaitanyam means Chaitanyam as it is reflected in the Antakaranam Chidavasa. What about the knowledge? Locus of knowledge also is Chit Eva. So the knowledge or ignorance. The ignorance is revealed, the knowledge is revealed, both are revealed by Atma Chaitanya. So for the knowledge as well as ignorance, both have its locus in the Chit. And the Vishaya is what the ignorance or knowledge is about. Must be about a Vishaya. The ignorance about an object, ignorance of an object, the knowledge of an object. Here, in the case of Mumukshus, the object is Atma, Brahma. So, the knowledge or ignorance or the object of knowledge, the object of knowledge or the ignorance with regard to the object, both should be same for ignorance as well as knowledge. That is, Ajnanam and Jnanam, they are Virodhi. Therefore, when Ajnanam and knowledge, or when you say Jnanam means Vritti, Ajnanam and knowledge. Ajnana Vritti is a Jnana Vritti. Are they, can they coexist the same person about the same object? Can coexist the same person? No. I don't know Gata Ajnana. I know Gata Jnana. I don't know Gata Ajnana. The object of ignorance is Gataha. And Gata Vishaya Ajnanam Ashraya is that is known to me, that is Chita, Chaitanyam, Atma, Aham, Chidavasa. Where it is located, the locus is also Chita. Similarly, Aham Gatam Janami. Aham Gatam Janami, that is knowledge. It has its Ashraya in Chit. And there the object is Gata. So these two cannot, Gata Jnanam and Gata Ajnanam cannot coexist. When Gata Ajnanam is knocked out by Gata Jnanam, then Gata Ajnanam cannot be there. Therefore, to cancel the Gata Jnanam must be produced in the same place. They must be on the same ground. I am ignorant about a pot. Where the ignorance is my buddhi. It sits in my mind. The knowledge which rises, I have got pot ignorance, you have got pot knowledge. For my pot ignorance to go, you cannot have pot knowledge. Your pot knowledge cannot destroy my pot ignorance. That knowledge also, the knowledge which destroys the ignorance with regard to the pot, that must arise in my mind. If knowledge arises in somebody's mind, my ignorance with regard to pot continue to remain only. Therefore, this is Ashraya. Avam Gatam na janami iti Gata Ajnanam asti. Kutra asti mama buddhau. The locus is my buddhi. So now where the Gata Jnanam should be produced in my buddhi only. Therefore the locus is same. Therefore Ashraya. This is number one, Ashraya. Second thing is, I am ignorant about a pot, not about the cloth. Patajnanena mama Gatajnanasya nivrittihi na bhavati. Patajnanam, I get the knowledge of the pata, the cloth. So what? My ignorance about the pata doesn't go away. The Jnana Vishayam also should be same as the Ajnana Vishayam. Knowledge of the pot alone will remove the ignorance of the pot. Knowledge of the cloth cannot remove the ignorance of the pot. Knowledge of the cloth will remove only, destroy only ignorance of the cloth. Therefore, ignorance with regard to an object, the ignorance with regard to an object, where it is located, the locus, particular locus, can be destroyed only by the knowledge of the same object arising the same locus. Ignorance of X, say for example X sitting in locus Y, that can be removed only by knowledge of X in the same locus Y. It cannot be other locus. The same way here also, I don't know. Aham na janami, I don't know myself. So here, Ajnanam is there. Ajnanam with regard to the Vishaya Atma. Where it is, locus is always my buddhi. So I am ignorant of my nature. I means here, the buddhi, you can take I to be the buddhi, the locus. Ignorant of my nature. That is Mama Atma Swarupam. That Atma is the object. The knowledge must be, I am ignorant of my nature. Then I have knowledge of my nature. That is Jnana. So where it should be, there also the I, that is in the buddhi only. I have knowledge of what cannot remove by ignorance of Atma. So, or your knowledge of Atma cannot remove my ignorance of Atma. So, I know my nature. When we say I, that is in the buddhi, I, the jiva, knowledge happens only in the buddhi, that is the locus, and the object must be the Atma, about which I have knowledge. Therefore, where the ignorance is, there only knowledge. There only knowledge should arise. With regard to the same object, not some other object. As we say, in Tamil, எங்க தொலைச்சோமோ அங்கதான் தேடணும். தொலைச்சது ஒரு இடத்துல, தேடுறது ஒரு இடத்துல. தேடுற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் and எங்க தொலைச்சதும் that should be the same purpose. Where you lost the object and what the object. You cannot search for the object some other place and some other object. You gain the knowledge of the object what you have lost, it should be the same place and it should be about the object. Same thing. If the locus are different or if the objects were different, then Ajnana Mula Vidya cannot go. So, therefore only Jnana Virodhi. Ajnanam is Jnana Virodhi, we say. Because by Jnanam talks of the Ajnanam, Jnana Virodhi. There is darkness in one room. You light a lamp in another room. Will the light in the another room will remove the darkness in the first room? Cannot go. So, यत्र अंधकारः अस्ति तत्र एव दीपः तत्र एव दीपस्य आवश्यकः भवति न तु अन्य प्रदेशे. Therefore only Bhashyakara uses viveka jnanena yat ajnanam kevalam samanya jnanena nashyati atma anatma iti anayoga vivekena. इत्युक्ते अहं न तेजः अहं ब्रह्म इति निश्चयात्मक ज्ञानेन एव नश्यति. That's why Bhashyakara uses the word Viveka Jnanena. This is the importance of Viveka Jnanam. We just read Viveka Jnanam and then translate discriminative inquiry about Jnanam or Viveka Jnanam. So much thing is embedded in this Viveka Jnanam. Viveka Jnanena. So Viveka Jnanena, Ajnanena, Viveka Jnanena, Ashyati. Adityavat avavasakatvam. The analogy of the sun should be understood properly. Yatha andhakare stani vastuni na drishyante. Yatha surye udeti tada samastam sarvani vastuni svayameva prakashante. Tada atmajnane udite sati sarvam jneyam vastu prakashate. Atra jneyam vastu ityukte atma anatma tayoho sambandha mityatvam cha. तेषां जन्तूनाम् आदित्यवत् यदा आदित्यः समस्तरूपजातम् उपभासयति तद्वत् ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं वस्तु ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं वस्तु सर्वं प्रकाशयति. It illumines everything प्रकाशयति. तद् परं परमार्थतत्त्वं विचिन्ति. Next verse. Om Purnamadaः Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamavaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಬಿಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.